Banks here are riding the green wave as demand for electric vehicles heats up. They're offering loans with lower interest rates and perks for EV buyers. And the market is snapping them up, with at least one bank reporting a fourfold jump in the value of its greener car loans. Metteo reports.
This is Thomas Cook on his way to work in his new green ride. Thomas got his hands on this electric vehicle last year after applying for an eco-friendly car loan with an interest rate of about 2.4%.
In terms of getting an EV car, the EcoCare car loan actually provides preferential rate, which is 0.3% difference, which is rather good. And I think that incentivizes consumers like myself to step into this area.
The loan from OCBC Bank also offers free charging credits and free home charging stations for landed property residents who buy certain EVs. OCBC says these EcoCare car loans were well received, accounting for nearly 1 in 10 car loans extended last year.
The number of EcoCare car loans expanded in 2022, surged by 4 times compared to our 2021 numbers. We believe this is in line with rising awareness of environmental sustainability among Singaporeans.
Car buyers now also have more EV options to choose from as brands introduce new models to meet growing demand. Maybank says about 1 in 5 of the vehicles they've financed to date are electric and hybrid vehicles. It expects demand to keep growing as more charging points are installed across the country. But who are the buyers taking up these loans? UOB says nearly half of them are millennials.
They are earning they are high wage earners, and almost 50% of them are staying in apartments versus the convention thought that they were likely to stay in the landed property.
But not everyone's sold on the idea of a switch just yet, mainly due to insufficient charging infrastructure, long wait times, and the higher cost of greener cars relative to conventional ones. The availability of such charging points may be holding some people back from buying an electric vehicle. But those in the industry are saying that they expect this situation to ease as the popularity of EVs matches that of gasoline vehicle in the coming years. But the transition is inevitable, which means pricing will only get more competitive.
By the end of this decade, we're likely to see that all of the best and latest cars by any manufacturer will be an electric vehicle, and they'll be cost competitive, if not cheaper, than conventional cars, which will be legacy vehicles at that point.
Professor Thesera says when greener cars become more mainstream, the segment will get less attractive, along with the need to offer favorable financing.